Happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday, everybody, happy Friday, everybody. What's up? How you all doing? I hope all is well with you people, all across the diaspora, England, Canada, all about in the Caribbean. Just hope everything is good. And just remember, always be vigilant of your surrounding. Alright? Because may I tell you, human being that we are living amongst, they are so dangerous. See a man's face, but you can't see his heart. Always remember that. Anyway, wanna know what to do? So just continue to do the do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Don't wait till you reach a migla at the end of the video. You might just forget. Remember to continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Continue to help that channel to grow. It's going into a positive direction where you get your cook vlogs, outdoor cooking, drama, a little entertainment, a little newscast also, commentary and a whole, and the adventure to come when I take you people out to different sceneries, and some river vlog where we cook on the river, seaside, or whatsoever, you name it. You understand? So we are promoting that part of the business there right now. So wanna just stay tuned for that part of the business there. Yeah. We don't reach this yet, but we are take our time to grow. We just have to wait for the monetization of this channel, where we can take it to that level there. But and remember, the young entrepreneur college student, please remember, may I beg you, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Life with Gabby and Chev, our YouTube link pinned in my comment section. Alright? Just hit the link and hit the word subscribe and subscribe to our channel. And not just subscribe, watch our videos, because she also need the watch time, to help her to monetize her channel. Not just the 1,000 subscribers. What she needs. She need 4,000 watch hours also. And if you don't watch the video, you just subscribe. She's still gonna need the watch time. The thing is, when you subscribe though, and a young YouTuber see them subscription moving and going up fast, it encourages them to do the videos, right? And when you encourage them by giving them that subscription, they put out more effort in doing videos because they feel encouraged that they are going somewhere. You understand? So automatically you will get more videos. And then now when you watch the videos, so them get the watch time. And do remember, you ask sorry to get it, the link pin in the comment section. Not the link, the Cash App pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. You ask sorry, you get it. You give me, I give back a needy person with your gift. And use a fraction of that to assist the adventure part of the channel in getting some things that we're going to need for that part of the channel. Alright? Anyway, my people, sometimes I wonder, we have a problem in our yard. And we not take no time out to seek out the problem and sort out and solve the problem where we have our yard. Now here we are got people yard, go mail them and fast in a people business. Even when our time come, we still end up out there fasting in people business. Or you fasting in people business same way is just to be a decoy, a cover up for your business we are spoiled. People, with all we are going, the disgrace and shame, we all to come down upon this little old house here, where lease, because look like I share the owner for the house. It come like a lease, she lease it. Larry the lizard, Lor. The woman still up in a Dana business. For what reason, I don't know. The only thing I can say, she used it as a distraction. Or she just used it to make we, the public, outside there in social media, feel like, okay, nothing is going on where her affiliates are concerned. Nothing is going on where hurt her with all we are going over our old house where they chichi them and yam down. I come across a video where this woman, before me get another video there, me even book one just before me start do that video here, where she do must say last night, talking about Dana business, cake business, and saying that okay, she have a registered business in Florida, right? But the cakes not going to Florida at the registered business. Them going to, she call Shelly nickname and she call everybody name where the cake them a go to. Come on. You having a registered business into a company, into a country, don't mean you have to have a actual building. Then put it that way. There's another word for it, I can't find it right now. Seems like it's a hide from Laurie. You know, that don't mean you have to have an actual business. What a building. You understand? The thing is, you're registered to do that type of business where you do. Whether it want to be online, half-line, shipping, dipping, sipping. You understand? You don't have to have a actual building like a bakery then or a shop space. So you need to check out them little facts there before you come. Pan the ear come make yourself be a fool. Me hear one of your supporter tell you say boy well XYZ and it's like you never want to hear that. You understand? But what me I say now people, let me get into the part of me I talk about. The laptop. The laptop issue with these two blind people that 99 decide to assist with the laptop. The woman take it and run with it. One, a lie. All these, them are two blind, somebody I know say she a caregiver and them blind. It's another Kwame this. Hey, we a climb stage and I watch TV and I say, Dana, Kwame never tell us him I watch TV. He might listen to TV. Not because you're blind, you can't. Remember, you know, a blind person gains senses elsewhere, you know. That's what them say, you know. So, just like a man, if I'm blind, if I'm not born blind, I'm living in a community. If you're, especially if I'm born and growing in the community and living in the community for a long while. If him end up losing sight, that blind person can walk the community like a man where I see. You try to remember that. So if Kwame goes up boom and say he want a TV, despite him having like a son, that no means that the TV not come in handy for him. Him can't sit down and watch him news. The only thing him can't see, the actual thing we are going on the news. But him can't listen. Just like him sit down and listen to radio. You understand? When would I request a radio for them? When the TV is more efficient to serve him and his son. Him can't sit down and listen to a movie. And just coming like, yes, somebody I read a story to him. All him have to do is listen the storyline of the movie and enjoy himself because him know within for himself, him can't see visually what is going on the TV. So him use him hearing to get an understanding of the movie we are going. It's like a storyline to him now because him can't see visible for see boy, yes. You understand? Because he's visually impaired. And you make a big things out of that. Just like these two blind people now. You're going to say, oh, them just sit down and so. She says, them see her. For your information, you need to check your facts. Then I'll visit the society for the visually impaired or whatsoever. We should I think about two of them. I don't want to mix it up. For blind people. And when she visit there, there's a lot of blind people. Remember, them blind and hear them can't hear. It was talked about that Dana is coming there. Plus, she did already visit there to do a little survey of the place. And she meet a couple of them during that survey. And she told them that she were coming back to donate some stuff on Ray Ray. A few of them was asking questions. A few of them also hear about the name. Dana, Ray. And say, me hear about you, Ray. Right? So some of them were aware that she were coming back there. Some of them might go tell them friend round there, so XYZ whatsoever. These two blind lady comes up to Dana when they hear of her there, talk to her whatsoever. And she and them talk. I don't remember word for word what was said. But the laptop argument will come up where they were like asking for a laptop. You understand? They were asking for a laptop. And then I said, oh, you're going to use laptop and question them? And she said, yes. And the lady there said, yes, they trained them to use the laptop. You understand? They have been trained to use the laptop. Basically, there is some features on the laptop, or I don't know if it's a specialized laptop or features on the laptop. You understand? That them train them to use. But when that have said and done, then I decided to get them 2 laptops. But I think she did promise one of them more than she did promise the other one. Alright. Then I come out now and then I went to the book depot. Right? Because she decided to say, okay, she wanted a laptop because I think one of them, I don't know if both of them or one of them was doing some form of exam, and the laptop would be great for them at this time to enhance them in them exam or them tests whatsoever them do. So then I took to her live, went to the book depot, took to her live and said she a beg. We know when Dana come out and say she a beg, and for her personal self. But Dana was just, you know, me a beg you know, me a beg you know, Ray. Just like how you come with your phone and you come and you put up, you repost all the woman in her bed, her nice clean bed, because me see you know one bed with one big old green background. Me don't know if I bedded that around the wall you show. Come like you just push the bed against the wall. And I make it look like I want bedded, because I don't see nothing. And you do man in a fair, nice, clean, pretty nice bed she can show the whole light. You understand? And like me we can show my little piece of cardboard box with me depend. You see me? And you repost the woman on your page. During the TikTok saga when the woman I say, no sir, me never know say I beg this. Me not depend this, me not beg. We know when Dana come on phone and say she a beg, it's just for people, and she might, you know, elaborate on it like I like a joking gesture. Anyway, Dana come and she talks, say she a beg. So she come down and say, alright, I see you note now. All of my plank of them, listen, you know, she said, all of my plank of them want to know, come out for me today. Me a beg something, me a beg. And she go ahead and she talk about asking for the laptop for the lady. And she said she wouldn't mind get the 2 of them. If it can work, she will buy the 2 of them if she get enough money. Anyway, Book Depot never have the laptop. And they must have it at a warehouse or somewhere else. The whole argument of the price of the laptop come up. And this woman take it out of context. 900 USD a laptop, and she call Rockland, and she this people, but they're not gonna further. I want to know listener. They're not gonna further. Cause I come like I made a plan to do the whole of this video, yeah. So me make you know listener. Make you start off yourself.
Tell me say, I'm confused. I'm kinda confused. So Rich Dana gonna buy 1 laptop. I thought she said she don't beg. Eh? I'm not listening. Dana, the blind just walk up to you and you just know size of blind? Come here, Dana. Lord Jesus, I owe this.
You hear her? Dana, the blind just walk up to you. And you know say them blind? The impression she are giving now, you know, is like this is a setup again, another Ponzi scheme. You know, where Dana always do these Ponzi scheme. So this alone show you say she not do due diligence. This alone don't tell you say she don't know where all of this has stemmed from. You understand? But as me say, she just a play a brave I come out on live and she a boast about my content. This nobody no write nothing give me call to her friend cartoons, so she always a find the content them. So she a boast so she can do her own content. And you can do your own content and at the same Dana. You can't find something else to prove to it. Say yes, you can do your own thing. Eh?
About the scammer. Where I said the blind just walk up to her. She not say somebody carry the blind to her, you know. The blind just walk up to her. We're going to play it. The blind just walk up to her. Listen to the story. The blind just walk up to her and knows that she had the giver and ask her for a laptop. What do you think about that?
It's really a story I tell. Because you're lying. So it's really a story. But make you continue.
Sure, blind. So the blind half blind and can't see.
The blind not on Kwame where I climb ladder. I watch TV and can call her and say, Auntie Dada, me I see you. Auntie Dada, take off your slippers at the doorway. I mean, like people coming to my house in their shoes, in her them slippers. So the blind just walk up, right? Hearing man and nobody lead her, you know. She just walk up and know say, I they give her that. Right? And nobody care her words were used. Right? And when them I send the money in a super
her words you use. You are misinterpreting the woman to create a content. You are misinterpreting the woman to create your content. But her words we are used.
No, she said, no, me no want it a super chat, more and Zelle. Then no, she said she not have no Zelle. Eh? Me if you tell her no, the court go Monday, no.
Oh, she don't want it in a super chat, she want Zelle. Oh, you know the Zelle affair when somebody no can use somebody Zelle or somebody cash up? What if Book Depot have a Zelle? And this is the reason why she got straight to Book Depot to do the live for you people, for the people them to send the money come to the Zelle of Book Depot. Eh? She did tell us her fear Zelle. She didn't even come as far and tell us her pitney them Zelle. And if she even have Zelle, her pitney them to live America. Eh? Her pitney them to live America. Oh. So Zelle not for them. Zelle for you alone. Because you alone a citizen of America. You're a citizen of America by default. Larry the Lizard, you is a citizen of America by default.
The court they put off, because then said that don't have enough evidence. So he put off to when the next hearing, because that don't have enough evidence.
I only hope you're ready when the right time comes. So you stay there and go and drama like it's a comedian show you're on a comic business. You understand? Continue drama, man. When your day come, make sure you have enough water for out the fire behind you.
Because them say based on what I have, by me just playing Rushmore video, them don't want to see the rest. I say, alright, you and I send you a thumb drive. Did you listen to it? And the judge say, yes, Miss Campbell, I listened to it. And based on that thing you play, that Rushmore is not a Cambio, we summons them to. So until further notice, so them have to hear about for Rushmore them and get for them court date, then we all, I tell them I don't like the virtual thing doing. So if I fly.
People, I want to hope you're in the same happy, comical, comedian spirit when the right day come. When the right time come, them I go, how would you sing that song, the Mighty Diamonds? When the right time come, I think of the Mighty Diamonds. I want to hope you prepare and ready for the right time. And it's on hope you joke it out, jovial, comedical, anything you want to be when the right time comes. Alright? When you hear one or all, see somebody like this, you know, like her, this, you know, all Eve, all weak kid. Listener, one and subscriber this. Listener.
Person, what draw me to you more and more, you're opening up a lot of truth and you're focusing on God. And them something that draw me to you, Lorraine.
Lorraine focusing on God. This is how somebody focus on God. If Lorraine focus on God and she draw you into God, me no want to know you in person. If you say what draw you into Lorraine because she have focus on God, me no want to know you in person, woman. Because you're worse No worse, you know. Worser or worser than Lorraine. You and her are traveling at the same line, but you're worser. Because if you are going to say, Lorraine, the way she had traveled to God, it draw you. Like you have seen the devil long time.
I tell the God Almighty truth, they draw me to you. And that's why I give you the props to put down a little tiger by your name, say Miss, because we know maybe me and you in the same age group, but still. If I even one day before you buy me for me, I have to give you some form of props.
Thank you.
We appreciate you. And
because if a devil send you, come tell them you buck up on God. Who know that look at Twitcher? Like the DJ back in the days in the early 80s. Or late. Yeah man, early 80s, about 84. Look at Twitch. We did sing the song and name Send for the Spanish fly for the girl with licky. Send for the Spanish fly for the girl with nyami. No licky. No nyami. No licky. No nyami. Yeah. That's why the girl Sophia was going to nyam so much because you licky and nyami. You understand? And the same artist did sing. If a devil send you, come tell them you buck up on God. Devil send you, come tell them you buck up on God. Yes. Devil send you no come, man. Call you are devil, you know. But remember, when you come, you buck up on God. Lorraine another one for you to tell you about God. You understand? And she go buck up in her too. As one of the servant of the devil.
I love you and keep on doing the good work. And God will watch over you.
Alright, so thank you. So then when them tear the platform, sure, me gonna have you, because you like the worship and you like the truth that I bring nothing but the truth, because I speak it. It's like how me go speak now, me play for them voice, then I speak on it. You understand? And I go and get my own content. Nobody sent this one to me. I went for it. No, I lie. I went him that my brother sent it to me.
True what pan cartoon.
Yes. So I'm going
big up Michelle and big up Bobby. I wanna just go and take it easy and juggle.
Alright, my sister.
One more recruit that thing. Where is the Laura? One gone, two gone, one come. So when one left, one come. Cause I recruit this now, you know. Yeah man, it's another recruit this one. You better prepare for your judgment. That's all me I tell you. Prepare.
We just walk up to 99 and know that, okay, I can get money. Right? Yeah, so I do want to come over here now. You understand? That's not work here. Like that girl. And if that girl couldn't put me down, nobody else on this can put me down.
People, I continue to hear she say, dead girl. I don't know who name so. If you don't know, tell me in a comment. Couldn't put her down. Nobody else on the face of this earth can put her down. So, if you don't know who name so, tell me. I don't know how. But in between in this video, she are through her word. You know, that's why I know say she are affected by what is going on. But she have no other know-how and means of come out upon her life, come do her thing. So she have to come out just the same way we know of her to come out. Dana. You understand? Because she can't come out upon nothing else. Because she don't have nothing else to come talk about her say. Because as the cartoon say, she were the script writer. You understand? She were the person who write the script. She were the editor. You understand? And with no more editor or script writer, what she gonna do? She have to just reverse back to the same old story and make it look as if, okay, me can do my thing myself. So I want to tell me how to name the dead girl.
Listen, if she couldn't put me down, me not say who on the face of the earth can put me down. When you can't do me nothing, everything when you come, oh, we are take your platform, go with it. It mean nothing to me. As long as you not take Steve, you not take Munchie, you not take Millie, you not take me, and you not take me God, go with what you want to take. Because I still go standing. You think you know much time on to take it? And I'm here again because my platform is different. You hear the first call I say? I know me go search. She come find me. Because she see truth here, so. And she see who me is. You understand? Yeah. Somehow no I'll wake up so dead fail for no fight. I wanna still not get no forward. All dead on no go far. You go all wake up the dead them out of the cemetery. You go all the ground go root up all the carrot them. I wanna still not get no forward. You not get none. You not dead. You don't know when me put on down, you not dead. Yeah. When
I know what you have the same power they come when the right time come. They might go feel it. When the right time come, they might go feel it. Remember, I know what you have the same power. Yeah, your voice or your voice sound. Can know so you hurt. You hurt. Bad. Just listen to the tone of your voice. Like your voice like tremble. Yeah man, listen to the tone of your voice. I want to listen now, my people. Or hungry belly. Live America. Not have nothing back in Jamaica. Because in the same live, yeah, when I live them, this one I the one before me, and she depend. She not work. As Steve PR bills, as Steve this, Steve that's if once you not take Steve, you not take this, you not take that, you not take nothing, you can always take the platform. I think that's the same one, yeah. But she have the audacity to take up her phone and call Jamaica, so she a call down a Rockland or must SIM kiss to find out the price of her laptop. You know, listen to them people here stay. Listen keenly, you know.
Girls, good afternoon.
Oh, before that, she got to play an insert of Dana. So listen to the insert first.
Hold on. Good afternoon, Deborah Frank. Wanna get king?
The only reason why I'm going to play this insert of Dana, when she a play, not me a play, no, she a play at the same live me a dissect. I just want to listen keenly what Dana go say. You understand? Because she said she a play them voice to dissect what them say. So I want to listen and get a full understanding. Most of them might hear already, but listening Dana live, just listening to know, you know, just listening and enjoying yourself and you know. But when things like this come up, pointers have to make in certain places for you to really understand and hear, you know, what been said or what did said, and where them people come and make an issue out of. So I just have to play a part of it. Because she has to dissect it herself, you know, before she call her, must SIM kiss her Rockland.
People like it at work, but no. Good afternoon, the Planka boss is here. Having a busy day, but I have to stop by. And today I'm in a begging mood. I am begging some money, right? Auntie Dana, so I want to go for a credit card or any kind of card you know, I'm begging a little smalls to be. Hey! I'm begging some money and I'm asking all my plankers. Yes. Run with the news, the good news.
Yeah, run with it.
So bear in mind, she want one laptop and she have over 100k plankers. And she asks all the plankers, right? Gonna listen.
People, you see when you deal with people who illiterate, ignorant, foul-ignorant, cow-ignorant, erratic, I saw them so. She have over 100k plankers and she look at laptop and she asks all her plankers. She have to call upon all her plankers, but we know it's not everybody I go turn out. But she are rolling her shoes. You understand? To make it possible. You understand? Because the more people it reach and the more people comes out and the quicker the laptop can buy. Simple that. And she have over 1,000. She have over 1,000 subscribers. You make it look now, oh you try to make it look like each one of them are come put 1,000 US when the laptop value 900. Each one of them are come put 500 US when the laptop value 900. Each one of them are come put 100 or 50 US when the laptop value 900. So if you at even $50 you calculate 1,000 subscribers, it's way past the 900. And she got to take the rest of that put in her pocket. That is how you want it look, you know. Because that's exactly how you are trying to put it, you know. When the woman are round up our supporters to get this message. You understand? So who come on board and reach 900 as she normally do, she go and stop the donation. Simple. Alright, we reach a quota, that's it. But you have to call upon everybody if it come out faster. As she just say, she not have much time for waste because she have some business to take care of. But you see, as me say, now have none. I not good, it not good. You not have none.
I want anything, me go come from my platform, come beg it. Don't me tell you no. If me in a want, me not ashamed. And me a come from my platform, come beg. Who remember when me said that? Huh? Who remember when Auntie said? So if me a beg, no begs. Alright, me a run a marathon for myself. Yes. Anybody willing in here to give me something that me soon put up on her hand? Let me say me. Who willing to give Auntie Dana something? Say me. Eh? Anybody willing to give me something on here? Say me. May I beg something today? Say me. Alright, me see it. Alright, that means I want the thing when I ask her. Me not ask so much though. Me not going to ask so much. So all of who say me, I want to make sure say I not.
When you see the whole heap of me, them go up on the screen. You're supposed to see yourself, me. You wish it was you though. Yeah, when you see the whole heap of me, them run up on the screen. You're supposed to see in your bed at the live, you're watching a playback, you know, a dissect, you know. So when you hear she say, me here, you put up on the screen me. And when you see the whole of me, them run up. If you could have take them off, you take them off. But you can't take them off, you just step on me, like you're having a nightmare. Oh, Steve, lollipop drop out of your mouth? I chew it probably soft. I don't know, the lollipop didn't have the sun. I remember, you know. You know, the root of the lollipop not so strong. So once the sun touch it, it's going to melt. Yeah, man. So you're having a nightmare.
Can't give me no. You not time me out like goat, not give me no basket for carry water. But me literally a big. So on a serious note, guys, good afternoon, Auntie Dana here.
Serious note now.
And I'm at Hope Depot, and the last time Auntie Dana was at Jamaica Society for the Blind, a young miss who is blind.
You hear? The last time Auntie Dana was at Jamaica Society for the Blind. The last time Auntie Dana was at Jamaica Society for the Blind. That was when I think she got deliver the things them, not when she got do the survey. Right? So it's not like randomly this woman just walk up to Dana. I know say Dana the caregiver like how this all crosses here and make it look. And Dana just knows that she blind. You understand? Whether she have a stick, a wick, or a dick. Dana just knows that she blind. Because that's how you make it. Dana, we're at the Jamaica Society for the Blind. Most of these blind people were aware that Dana is coming there. And after she go there and do a little survey and a little checks, even more numbers of these people did know that she's coming there. That up to one where she visit earlier on in our program, where her man run her, her husband run Dana, so she might want a free money. Want come out and afraid till she end up have to come out. I do you remember if she one of them were in the laptop thing, but I know so one day they will leave a Mountain View. So there is so much of them that are aware that Dana is coming back there. So when you're going to make it look like say it was just a random walk up, this blind person walk up car, it's Lord, Dana is so blessed. Dana is walking with the picture of Jesus in front of her. So everybody going to see that, okay, she is the great caregiver of the heaven. See her here, Dana Marie go. So everybody going to just walk up to her. That all a blind woman could have see her and just step up to her. We don't need you to glorify Dana. We don't need you to give Dana no glory. Dana get her glory where she can get it from. She don't need you. She have her good, strong supporters and donors. And the greatest thing of all, the man above where you are fake pray to. The man above where you are fake carry yourself to because of your dirty deeds. And figure more or less say, God now go want clean up your dirty deeds and tell you about your dirty deeds in front of you when the day come. You understand? Yeah, man, I'm going to tell you, I think I just say, okay, you're free to go without telling you about your dirty deeds and flag you for your dirty deeds. Just stay there.
Blind, yes, blind, fully blind. She came up to me and she asked me if I could help her. Watch her, me start get money. Not from this or Chanel Williams. No, not from Super Chat. We're doing it on Zelle today. Yes, and she came up to me and she asked me.
That is how she come up about. Oh, she said she not have no Zelle. She still like say she not have no Zelle. But she not having a Zelle, that no means that she can't use somebody's Zelle. So what are you saying?
With a laptop, and I promised to get the laptop for her. You know, in Planka shop we don't. I'm gonna call the people them we said Dana do good. Please go call everybody we said Dana do good in Jamaica. That's why Dana couldn't get an award. I'm gonna call everybody. Call Michelle.
So Dana run down award. Dana run down award. All of those people that get award Monday gone in Jamaica for some reason or the other. And not just last year them a do good. Some of them have 10, 20, 30 years out of service where them a do good. They were just recommended for an award. You understand? So it's not a case to say, yes, you get up today, or 2 years, or 3 years ago, I do good, and you're going to just recommend it. Remember, there's a limited amount of award for different awards. And if you have 500 persons slated in our pool, you have to do something outstanding in a sense, like something where them not really have much numbers for, because as they go along, that might happen like marital award, like the nurse who stop at the accident scene. That is not something where, you know, that state of award is there and said, okay, we want 10 somebody to award for this position. That is a position is when that thing do happen, they award you. So you will always have that award section open. So when you're going to say that's why they not award, and like she a run down award, or it's too late for her to get an award. Just like how no have it say she can't come America. And when the woman come out and show 2 shades, everybody start think when you come, you one thing, when you come, and you can't come again, and when you come. So come next year, Heroes Day, Dana recommended for humanitarian award. What are you going to say? You're not going to feel like a house. You understand? You're not going to feel like a... Because you just not understand, you just talk with a lot of ignorance. Because you're so dunce. Oh, sorry. Dunces.
Dana, call all of the vlogger them and let me ask them the question. One laptop. Bear in mind, you know. When I said Dana is such a hard-giving, caring person. Let me see what time it is. Damn, alright, I have till 1 o'clock. I'm going to call everybody. Everybody. We said Dana do good. I'm going to call them for me, please. One laptop.
We there.
And then I run a marathon to a laptop. And you know one time I said Dana and a scammer.
What is a marathon? What? A marathon mean you can't cut off at some point? What? What is a marathon? A marathon is something where she come and she run a marathon and she run it for 1 whole year. Running a marathon, where our program is concerned, she run a marathon which she come out and it's like she in need of this emergency wise then, put it this way. So she run up all our troops, all our donors. Who are come out, who not come out. Because everybody have it at the same time. But she have to run up everybody. So she run up everybody around the marathon. So the Zelle, the phone line open to accept all donation immediately, presently. So who have it and now, I go send it. When the money reach 900 or probably at the same time, you might not know exactly how much it will reach at the time. But once she say she get a quota over $900, the $900 can reach her $1,500 when she get the quota. It can reach, because remember now, you know, money are coming right after. You understand? So at the same time the money are coming, you might not know say yes, you reach a $900 point. It's when you go over that 900, and when you go over that 900, you can realize you have 14, 13, 10, 12, 11, 15. At that time, she go and stop the donors. She have done it often times and said no more donation for this laptop, no more donation. So you make it look as if when the woman say marathon, she have run a marathon for her 1,000 odd subscribers or million subscribers and followers that she have. To collect $900 from each one of them. You're so fool on is, you're so dumb on is. These are the things that you come on social media want to put to the public. Eh? These are the things you don't want to put on social media and put out there to the public to believe.
You don't want to tell me say that Nana scammer? One laptop.
Call Rockland and Shinky. Yeah.
Where man your name?
Listen now.
When name Rockland, me go.
You know, listen now, you know. She go as far as call, but me I'll show now she make herself be an idiot again, and her followers them a back her.
Up at Rockland, car. Me go get Rockland, something. Make it go and play.
Promise anybody anything and we don't fulfill the promise. And of course she's blind, right? She can't see and she's doing IT. And she need the laptop, and I hear that she's in some test mode right now where she need the laptop to help her with her assignments and her tests. Anything when me I go do it and then come directly to Book Depot to fulfill that young woman's dream. Remember, we help the one that we can see, so we need to help the one that can't see. We give people who have them strong eye and them strong foot and them strong and laptop. So guess what Auntie Donna is asking? Her donors, yes. Book Depot, they don't have the laptop here at this location. They have it at another location. They're going to give me the price, just like how we do with the tablet, them buy it. We pay.
On the ear, I wonder if on the ear, Donna said. Donna said, the lady have a test to do, as me said earlier, because I sure I did overheard that. And the laptop is very essential to her. People might say, what if she never ever get a laptop? What if she never have a laptop? Yes, if she never have a laptop, she have to go through the test without it. But if there is a way out for her to gain that laptop, you understand? If we continue on our path of achieving what she ought to achieve and set out to achieve, why not assist her? It just come like a college student. Them a go to UWI, them a go to UTech or some university. Them could have afford to find 3-year money out a semester, and the 4th year, which is the last year, them can't find it. What you gonna say? Hey, yeah, run man. What if you couldn't find it, them couldn't get you for run marathon for them? How them would I make it out? Come on. When there's a way, there's a will, there's a way. But at the same time, them would have life to finish them last year. Can you imagine 4 years, you do 3, and you find for hard times, can't find the last one where I go help you if you come out a year struggles where you're in. What you go try if you say, hey, you can't find anything, just quit school and done. And the last year, so it's just like this woman. She don't have a laptop, but she would like that laptop because if she do get a laptop, it would make her job easier in doing her tests to reach her goal. And if she can get that laptop from around the lane, around the street, or around the corner, why not? What am I telling you?
Feet and them set them deliver it to my house tomorrow, so that I can get it and to personally take it to the young miss, take it to her so she can continue with her studies.
Good evening.
She didn't ask me first.
Everyone, I'm Martha Lerner, the Deputy Director at the
school fee. She didn't ask me for cash. She asked me to assist her in getting a laptop. It was two of them that asked me, but she was in more dire need of it. If anybody wants to buy the other one wants, both of them are blind. One doing clothing and textile, and the other one doing IT. So the person they have two different type of laptop, the HP and the what did she say? Young miss? What you said, the HP and the what? Oh, they're coming with it. They're coming with the names. They're not at this location, they're at the warehouse. So they are I'm gonna like how we do the tablet them. So I'm gonna tell you guys the laptop and the price, and we are here, and all you have to do, who have $10, who have $20, who even want to buy one of them, or buy two. Or buy, because I
you listen? The woman never come out to tell 1,000 subscribers, 1 million followers, say boy, she want $500 from each one or 1,000 from each one. Who have $5, who have $10. You understand? So if you have say 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 followers and you want $1,000, you go and call out every one of them, because if each one of them put $1, you will get that $1,000. What you gonna do? Want $1,000, you call out 10 or 20 somebody. And when you call out 10 or 20 somebody, each one of them only can put $5. Check $5, 20 times $5. That can't reach 1,000. So you go and call out everybody. So if things thin, when nobody can able to put 1,000 or 500 or 200, and them can put $1, where would I drop out a road and them watch it breeze blow it away and say $1 that? At the end of the day, you accumulate that $1, that $1,001, you gain the 1,000 that you want. So it's not like the woman come out and call out all her subscribers and followers. If you come put $900, and that's how you make it look. And you never make it look so within yourself alone, or in a private session with your subscribers and followers. You make it look so to the wide public in general. You know, so no fool. And a own people are run behind and a follow and a cheer on and like and this and that. But I
was aiming for one, but if I get money, can get the two of them, it would be a blessing to hand over 2 laptops. So I am going to hear the prices of the laptop and then tell you guys, and you guys tell me which one of them is best for the young miss who is blind. Oh, okay, she's giving me a code. So the HP is 940.
Hear the rumbling now. Hear the rumbling and the grumbling now. Hey, you're gonna hear nothing. Yeah, listen up here now. Hear the rolling calf now when she hear the price of the laptop. And now she gonna call Shimkisha Rockland.
$5 US, and that's 125,607. 867.50, and the Lenovo is 815 US. Lenovo, I never heard that name here yet. And it's 108,000. See, they write it on the paper, give me. These are the 2 type of laptop. What type of HP? She gone back in the office. So you guys know about laptop more than me. Me have a HP, my laptop a HP. I don't know which one of these is best for a blind person. HP better. Alright, yes. One is only
Well, the name of the laptop is not which one better. Whether HP, Lenovo, Green Bush, Black Bush or White Bush. That is not the important part of what is suitable for the blind. It's the features. You understand? It's the features where the laptop are going to have to suit the blind. It's not the name. So, whosoever I tell you AD about the HP better, well, probably them just say HP to make it look like the brand, because the HP might have the features where suits the blind, where the Lenovo or the whatsoever or the Linoleum not have. But they should have make it a little bit more clearer, because for people like them, where in a phone, they will run with it and not thinking as, oh, me I think now, say, okay, they might say the HP because the HP has features that suit the blind, and the Linoleum or the Lenovia or the Land Rover don't have. You understand? So we have to make it clear. Although we don't have to suit nobody or please nobody, we know what we are doing and know what we are say, and the clank of them and the doing of them are right with what I say. Alright? So we don't really have to please them, but sometimes we want to see them go deeper into them box, man. We don't want to give them nothing to come talk about easy.
A couple thousand more. So we have the Lenovo and the HP.
Why buy it, man?
We want to find out what type of HP. What type of HP, young miss? Yes.
So you have to have a brain over it, so that is just a regular plane.
Them say it if you have a brain, but she said, no, them train them to use it.
Oh.
Yes, start them talk it.
No, whether them train them to use it in an auntie, it have to have the features, or certain features. Because if it don't have the features, them can't train them to use the features. It just come like me, we can't see. And me can't drive one truck. You understand? But me can't drive car. And me can't drive one van. So when me go a depot, or one learning place, then learn me to drive the truck. Not because me can't drive car, that means, no, sir, me can't drive. No. There is thing in the truck where you don't know nothing about. One to a split box where me never drive yet. Me never know what name split box. Me only hear them talk about it. You understand? What about 1 9 forward and 3 round there so? Me don't know nothing about that. But me a driver. But me never drive nothing like that. So the features where the truck have, me have to learn that now. So just like the computer, the laptop, you know, it have to have the features where suit them need, and then them train them how to use it. Simple.
Yes, that you told me. Yes. So the HP, hi Marlon Ferran. Okay, Marlon said both brands are good. I don't want to sit down here all day today because I have somewhere to go. So, but the come here. Come give me the cell and the cash app number, please. Let me pay it.
Alright, here, book Dipper come here, come give me the Zelle and the cash app number. So that show you said the auntie na have no Zelle. So this is how people run. Them ya people ya run with all kind of news and fake story and tell people. You hear an auntie just a while ago? Book Dipper come with the cash app and the Zelle. So over, and you know, it no need no brain box to work out this. Because auntie always says she don't have no Zelle. And if she go directly to Book Depot, it's because she want the money to come directly to Book Depot, so she can automatically get the laptop right away. So from she say, send it in a Zelle, that simply mean I must Book Depot Zelle or cash app. But you come and say, oh, she said she don't have no Zelle, but yes, she say send in a Zelle. Like you try to give the people the idea that the woman do what you always say she do. And you always get a beating when you come with your foolishness.
Who don't know? So and somebody keep abreast with the phone.
Hi, good afternoon. Do you have any laptop in your store? How are you?
Sorry?
Do you have any laptop selling?
What money is, you know? She call me say Shimki, she know her. I think I Shimki say, listen.
Yes, we have it. Yes, we have it.
What price and what brand you have, please?
We have HP, Lenovo, Dell.
How much for the HP?
That's from 35 up.
35,000 up. What inch, please?
14 inch.
14.
All of them, but the starting range is that.
So look here, I'm trying to buy it for a blind, right? Do I get a discount if I come in? I'm trying to buy it for Okay, so you said the HP 14 inch, 35,000.
Yeah.
And we will get a discount.
Yeah, sure, you will get.
I'm coming back from you all the time, you know. I just use another number call you, but I am a regular customer.
Yeah, Gina shit because she want information. Or she must want the price drop to nothing at all. She pretend to be down at this.
It's about your store, and you take care of me all the time. Alright, thank you. Alright. You know why me call Rockland? You know why me call Rockland? Laptop a stone dog at Jamaica. What me say?
Like a laptop a stone dog at Jamaica. A whole heap of student out here want one and can't get none of a stone dog. Contribute even half does it then now. It is so cheap. A lot of students want laptop. Right now. Especially them first farmer ever just gone to school. High school September. Send 6 come give it. Send 6 come give it. But like you feel like when last said that Jamaica.
Laptop coming like nothing water Jamaica now. And you hear how much she say?
What kind of laptop? What kind of laptop? Where you go buy something where Kevin store 2 GB? Like I want to go to basic school pitney you buy it for. Eh?
Laptop? Eh? You hear how much Rockland say? 35,000 for HP. And the HP are 14 inch. That means say, what my laptop there?
So because the laptop is a HP and it's a 14 inch and it values 35,000, and the same laptop we Dana buy from Book Depot for 100,000. You understand? Which is the same brand. Well, we don't know for the same inch, but at the same brand HP. So Dana could have got a Rockland and buy it for 35,000. Oi, just like how you have quantity, you have quality and you have quantity. So just look at yourself and tell yourself so use quantity, you're not quality. You understand? If you got quotes, you're going to go see Samsung TV at a 75 inch. More than one. Same size, same Samsung. And when you check the price, you might can get one for 40,000. You see one next one for 60. You see one for 80. You see one for 100 and one for 200 and the same size and the same brand. You ever stop and check the difference? You ever stop and check the difference? One. The one we see for 4,000, I go to the first time one them that the K1 them. The one we see for 70, I go to the K2. The one we see for 80, I go to the K3. But the latest, which is the K5, you're going to see that for 200,000 because that have more features, that have more specs. And this is where you need to understand. And don't come on your platform, come mislead people and go on like the woman a criminal. You understand? That HP computer where Rockland or Simkish I tell you about for 35,000. I bet you my last dollar that if you take that laptop and match it to the one in 99 I go buy a Book Depot, I will have 14 inch just like the one down there where you call about. And at the same HP, I bet you my last dollar so the specs are totally different. And where you understand, as I said earlier, the laptop must have special features to suit the blind woman. You understand? So just like how a man that buy an iPhone, because enough of the people, them, young girl and young boy, them want iPhone. And most of the features, why the iPhone is so expensive, they are not using it. Because they have no use for that features. Because most of them features they are for business people and certain class and type of people. You understand? But the phone do carry it, so if you want the phone, you have to buy it. Them no business if you not use the features where it have. If it not, you not use the features where it have, go buy one phone where not having the features where value the money where you can't afford. But what? Most of them buy the iPhone because the dearer the iPhone is, and the more most of them tell you, the picture quality nice, the video quality nice. That's the only reason why they spend so much money to buy it. But the real reason why the phone is so expensive, the certain specs where it having it, them now use it and features. So it's just like the laptop woman. So you come and create a scene like you want to match up 35,000 to 100,000, which is 900 US. Go ahead.
In my laptop at 12 inch. When me have here. So it little bit bigger than mine's. Right? A laptop on Amazon, you can get a HP on Amazon for 200 and something.
What quality?
You can go pan it and look.
You have quality and quantity. What quality? What spec do it have? What features it have? These things make with different features. But you not try to understand that. You just tell us it's a HP, it's a 14-inch. So it must be the same thing Rockland have for 35,000. You not think about the features and the specs where it have. You have to think about that first before you come and you with your rotten teeth them. You having a false teeth, and as me say, ear in, ear out. At the first, me see somebody with a false teeth and the teeth are rotten out of the gum. And what kind of teeth them they put in a ear plate? Eh? No.
Yeah? On a social wicked. On a see wickedness a player. Eh? Eh? On a see wickedness a player. And she run charity. And me da foreign and can get discount. Me da foreign when say a foreign number and me can get discount.
Oh, you know, say the man did a pre number. You know, time man just people just take up phone and answer it and they will look on the number. The man I do a business. And I like me as a personal person where my phone ring, my personal phone ring, me I look at who call me. It's a business phone I ring. The man just take it up and look. Most time the man they walk with the portable phone them where they have a show number. So when it ring, him just answer it. A business man do him no need to know who I call him. Him no need to know individually who I call him. More than if you call and he's a customer, you identify yourself. If him know you. You are going to say you that foreign and get discount. What time you say that I go Rockland and Simkiss and get discount? What's the point you try to get across there? Oh, me they foreign and see them, me can't get discount because him says a foreign number, call him and him still answer and him still give me discount. What's the point? How much time you say that I go down and get discount? Oh, old garbage boy.
What me say? Me I show no much for HP on Amazon. No, actually, me I tell you no. They're not a thief and wicked.
No more are
They
you.
don't care for nobody but her.
No more are you, but this not distract us. This won't distract us from the main thing we are going over your place now. What if you do is fret what cartoon is coming with next. I notice I don't see she come out on live. What should she do on live? Must say Wednesday or Tuesday. I don't see she come back out. So she probably waiting her. Una try for counsel her and coax her not to come out, come say anything. The eat where she in and out. Uno come out, come chat. Uno can't hold her back. Should that fool. Where she not achieve what she want over the years. She stay in her bar and make it dirty and run down and she hungry. And she take her nature gift to Uno when she have it for gear man. Hey.
Kate. In a them time, yeah, I know your family. And you fi pick up by a laptop for $900. That ain't not even Apple laptop now sell for $9.
So let me ask you a question. Dana, they tell you say she want somebody single-handedly. She come out and she say, anybody out there will even want to buy one. Because there is a lot of plankers out there. There's a lot of donors out there can afford to buy all 10. But them have to see it in a for them need. Because at the end of the day, as me say, yes, they do support Dana. They do donate to Dana. But at the end of the day, it's where them seeing on the phone and we touch them. And the needs of the people and we touch them. Them reach out. So if Dana put somebody in a phone and it not touch that one day, them not gonna reach out. But if it touch that one day gonna reach out. And it's not like Dana come blatantly and say, watch out, I want you XYZ by one and you XYZ. She come out and reach out to her. That's why she reach out to everybody. So who take the call and take it, who not take it, does not take it, but it must buy and it will buy. You understand?
$100. Me can go to the Apple store right now. What me say? I can go to the Apple store and I would not get a laptop for $900.
Buy one half dozen send down come give away, man. You never used to go to Jamaica school. Send one half dozen come give school where you used to go.
Guys, you need to share. You need to share this live, please. Big up yourself, Mason. Dana Wicked. Her price of 50%. Listen what me I say. Me never block my number when me call Rockland. I call Rockland from a foreign number. And when people say foreign number, them get foreign price.
That is when you deal with individual business people. Dumbass, rubbish woman. I don't know where you go out to the Migla and Maryland with the rubbish truck take you up whatever time it come, a morning time, evening time or night time. You understand? But whenever people say foreign number, they give foreign price. Most time a mobile phone them people they have, them just walk with in them pocket, back pocket or in them hand, it ring them just so boom and them answer. Them not the time for like all me on my phone that ring at me the phone. How this? I don't know that number yeah. Or I look at me say, I can't talk to that person you know. The people them do business, big established business. A call come in them and if you look at who I call them just no say them press the right button and answer the call. I sell them one sell something. Because when the number ring, them know some must business. Because it's not them personal phone. Them don't have no time for look for number dopey. Scary movie woman. Them don't need for look for number.
When I sit down and do, all them a fight me. Them have to go back and bow to Dana. None of them can show up Dana wickedness. None of them can hide like a scammer. Like how Lord can come here so and call Rockland and call anywhere else and get the prize.
So what is that you do? Even the dopey them down at Tranquility can wake up out of a fridge and call Rockland. Just give them a phone. That's something that you do? That's something you boast about. None of them can call Rockland like it's something special you do like you know, you have to be special today. We are foreign and Rockland that Jamaica can call them. Rockland number is all over social media. All you have to do is Google Rockland. It's a public business them are run. So them number is there. So anybody can take up a phone and call them. I don't know what you do. Damn. Why would you want credit for things where some because things want to do where anybody can do or it's not. Wait for this come out, come do some things like what Dana do, man, if you want credit. That's all you have to do. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again, you know. Because she just try this track or say all we are going over our house so they chichi them and I'm down. You know, the old rotten board them like how our teeth them rotten up in our false gum she have on. You know, the plate are rotten. Me know normally plate broke. You drop your plate, it might broke. When I say plate, I mean your kitchen plate. Now the plate, your false teeth, yeah, your false teeth, yeah. If you drop that, it broke. If you sit down on it, it broke. You step on it, it broke. But fear when I rat now way in our gum, in our mouth, I rat now way, the teeth them are rat in the gum. The stick where that be the gum, the base, where the teeth go making her, I rat no way. You don't know she can't talk and to open my mouth, you know. She can't talk and do this. Alright, yes man, alright, so the fan. Rockland, oh Rockland. Yeah, you can't call Rockland. Because if you use one side of the mouth to catch one side. For the fast teeth not drop out. You notice how I touch the iPhone and the pan? Get them goody. Get them goody. Goody look goody. Goody look goody. She can't say, watch goody. Watch goody. She can't say that. Watch goody. Watch goody. Me look good to me. Me look good to me. She can't walk me out. So you try distract us. We not distracted. You clean up your dirty house where you want to clean. Your house dirty like cartoon. Your house, your physical house, you live in a good dirty like cartoon bar. Same like how cartoon sit down another time to clean our bar. I see where you go sit down another time to clean your house. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again and I'll come to the end of another video. Just do, continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscription button. And please remember to watch the ads and hit the thumbs up. Alright? And remember, you ask for it, you get it. The Cash App is pinned in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. And remember, please me I beg you, give her it for your Christmas present. You know, go on good so far, but just not stop. You know, subscribe yet to the young entrepreneur college student. Go and subscribe to our channel now. Please and thanks. The link pinned in the comment section also. Just hit the subscription button and support her. Alright? And then you can support our business also. When you go in our description, when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will see our business IG page on our website. Thanks for watching again. We come to the end of another video of these crosses. And I beg God to deal with them in a manner that he would never ever deal with the other crosses. Alright? Big up on yourself. God is not like man though. Else somebody turn all them head behind them like Dolly. Bye, I'm out.